What up? It's my Honda CBR 2015. Showing you
Camera district.
stock exhaust before and after. Here's the exhaust before. I'm gonna replace it with the new exhaust. So yeah, we're just gonna test it before.
I already forgot how to turn it on.
Alright, so we're gonna test the exhaust before. Okay, go.
How much do you want to rep? 5K? 6K? 8K?
Yeah, 8K.
8? Not like 10.
Really? Alright, so that's 8K.
Good enough for this?
Okay, so this is continuation of last vlog. We're gonna test the new exhaust to 8,000 or maybe 10,000
10,000? Holy shit.
RPM.
I was like 6,000.
Okay, we're gonna go to 8,000 here. Alright, that's it.
Oh. That hurt.
Yeah, that's it for now.